if two people file for the same patent, so for example, you and your friend, when you discuss the idea, you go and file a patent for it. The Indian Patent Office always decides whosoever has filed first, and the criteria is the first to file criteria. So whosoever has filed first, even if 1 minute difference, the other party will not get a patent or any other IPR for it. So first to
Is
file is
there
the first.
any body which controls this patent filing? Means
Absolutely.
between
So
disputes between two
yes, yes,
people.
yes, yes, absolutely. Government of India, this is called as Intellectual Property Office, IPO. Now in India, there are four offices. One is in Mumbai, other is in Chennai, Kolkata, and Delhi. And this is the governing body for any intellectual property rights that we discussed and other IPRs that are available for as a governing body from Government of India.